white Christmas, just like the ones I used to know.
Where